What's up, guys? We are gonna go on another Billy Swamp Safari ride with my buddy Massimo. What's up, Massimo? And we're gonna take this back roads. I think if you've watched my previous videos, you'll know this route. We're inside of Holeylands water management area, or wildlife management area, sorry. So we're going to take this back way to Billy Swamp Safari, Seminole Indian Reservation. And then we're going to possibly meet up with Dr. Fox and his KTM 690. And then from there, if possible, we're going to try to explore even further west via these gravel roads. See how far we could go, maybe towards Naples, not all the way, but that direction. So everybody, thanks for watching, and hopefully we can get some nice videos, maybe an alligator or something. Okay, we stopped at our little picture spot. We always end up taking a picture here, so why not this time again, right? Okay guys, if you want to see this picture, just check me out on Instagram. It's totally up to you if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and post this picture later on today on there. It's at Florida Outdoor ADV. I'll put a little title there so you can see it. This is a cool place. It looks like where Batman might live or something. Okay guys, that way is Clewiston, Florida, and to my left here is Seminole Reservation, Billy Swamp Safari. That's where we're going. Wildlife count today, 1 snake. I didn't have the camera on, sorry. And obviously that's not counting Massimo. So let's see if we see anything else, maybe a deer, alligator. Look everybody, a BMW GSA farm. All they need is the shield, the windshield, and the panniers, and they're ready to go. Look at a regular GS on top of that mound right there. This is a very peaceful ride. I highly recommend all of you take peaceful rides when you can. So we're about an hour away from Dr. Fox, so I don't think we're going to be able to meet up with him since he's going to return back through 41. And that's way south of us right now. So, all right, let's see where we could get lost at. Billy Swamp Safari. I've had some good times here, really good times. they have these little tiki huts that you've probably seen in my other videos if you've watched them, that you could rent out and stay the night. Really cool stuff back here. Buggy rides and airboat rides, alligator show. Usually they save us a special VIP Yamaha Florida Outdoor Adventures parking, and they did again. Perfect. That's why I love this place. Thank you, Billy Swamp Safari. Yamaha's number one. Move your head if it's number one. Is Yamaha number one? Shit. It's not moving his head. Team Yamaha. Team Yamaha. Yeah, there you go. Okay, let's check Google Maps and let's see how we could get out of here through the dirt. Is there a way? Billy Swamp Safari. Okay, here's the goal, guys. We're gonna find I-75 via dirt back roads and then back home. All right, let's see if we can find those routes. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it right here. I wanted to go that way and see what was down there, but we're running out of time. So this is where my buddy Lou fell, and this is the way he showed us to get to 75. It's all coming back to me. Guys, I'm going to a birthday party after this, and I don't want to get all muddy. Oh shit, on my jeans. Too late. This ride is brought to you by Team Yamaha. I think there's another one. You want to go this one? Okay. Okay, so if you want to head east on 75 or north, I guess, or sorry, south, you have to cross the canal at one of these bridges to get on the southbound ramp. If you stay on that side, you could only go northbound. It's all about saving the earth and recycling. So we just came across this right here. Trailer hitch, somebody lost it, dropped it. It's one of those triple combination balls. I know. Yeah. Yeah, it weighs too much. It'll be jumping around the back of the bike. We did it! That right there, my friends, is I-75 Alligator Alley. I guess you could say mission accomplished today. Fly, pelican, fly. Okay, good. That would suck if this gate was closed. Okay, I think we gotta go under it. Yeah. under and then left. Little party over there. All right, we did it, I-75. I'm not gonna bore you with highway video, so everybody, thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and you all take care. We will see you next time. Whoa, look at that, a dead snake. Poor little guy.